In this video, we are going to learn to create a Tkinter GUI application with the text widget and also buttons. So first, I'm going to import Tkinter as TK, and then I will have our GUI by calling tk.tk, and now I'm going to do GUI.configure. And our background color, I'm just gonna use some hex value. I will go with this one. That will be maroon. This is our top level styling. There's a single quote missing over here. And now I'm going to create a text widget and specify styling. Text widget. That will be tk dot text and pass in our GUI and background, and over here I'm just going to select some background and foreground color for this one. I'm gonna go with the yellow. And then I will set foreground color, and that will be, let me see, I will go with the blue maybe. Okay, let's try the blue one. And then border width, we'll keep it 20, and relief, that will be sunken, and width should be 15, and height should be, I will go with 5, and then I will insert some text inside the text widget. So text dot wedge for our widget. This is underscore and dot. Need to call insert method to insert the text. TK on end, and our text widget example. And now text widgets grid, and that will be row will be set to 0, column 0, column span to 6, and pad X 5, and pad Y 5. Now I'm going to add buttons to it. tk dot button, and pass in our GUI and the text on our button. That will be number one, and then grid, then row set to 1, and column set to 1. I'll just copy this one and modify it for a few more buttons. This is gonna be same, change it over here, and this will be column 2, so it comes to next column. And I'll copy one more. We'll make column span to 3, and this will be 3 and 3. And after this, I'm just gonna call our GUI dot main loop. That'll be GUI dot main loop, and just save it. Fix it. There's some extra over here. I will also set width and height for our GUI window, and by calling geometry function and pass in the width and height, I will go with 500 by 300. That will be width. I need less width, so I'm just gonna make it 300 by 200, and just now need to execute our Python script, and that would be Python 3, then our script name text.py. Just hit enter, and you can see our GUI over here. It's pretty cool. These are our text widgets, and these are our buttons. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.